Imagine effortlessly gliding above the ground on the Belief Hoverboard by Huck, a groundbreaking marvel in personal transportation. Combining the exhilarating fun of a hoverboard with the practical utility of a personal vehicle, this innovative device uses state-of-the-art technology to maintain perfect balance, ensuring a smooth and safe ride every time. Its intuitive controls make it incredibly easy to maneuver, making you feel like you're floating on air. The Belief Hoverboard isn't just a mode of transport, it's a thrilling glimpse into the future of travel. Whether you're commuting to work or enjoying a leisurely joyride, the Belief Hoverboard promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you craving more. World's First Screw Bike by James Bruin, a revolutionary electric bike featuring 4 mesmerizing Mecanum wheels. This innovative design uses these uniquely positioned wheels to create a distinctive screw-like motion, propelling the bike in an astonishingly smooth and agile manner. Crafted with precision, much of the bike's wheel components are meticulously 3D printed using a blend of materials, including sturdy plywood for the outer wheel and harder substances for the wedges and tiny wheels, all mounted at precise 45-degree angles. The intricate design includes multiple bearings for each roller and larger bearings for each wheel, ensuring unparalleled stability and safety. Each wedge is both glued and screwed into place, guaranteeing a secure and thrilling ride. Welcome to the future of personal travel with the consumer car by J. Arter Studio, a groundbreaking concept vehicle that redefines every notion of what a car can be. This unique car offers a 360-degree immersive experience with no traditional gauges, dashboard, or badging, and uses footholds instead of doors. Its front grille is a large reflective mirror, cleverly concealing the motor and giant LED lights, enhancing its sleek, minimalist aesthetic. Weighing just 250 pounds, this matte black, low trapezoidal marvel is built on Ford Festiva mechanical parts, merging innovative design with reliable engineering. The consumer car isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a bold new lifestyle statement, inviting you to embrace the future of travel like never before. Hankook Tire's Design Innovation, a pioneering research and development project launched in 2012. This initiative collaborates with top design schools worldwide to envision new solutions for future driving, centering around the transformative role of tires. A standout concept from this project is the Urban Reshaping Project, introducing Space-Shifting Mobility, SSM, a revolutionary transportation system that utilizes old tires to move not just on roads, but also vertically along the outer walls of buildings. This innovative system expands usable space and can be rearranged as needed, showcasing Hankook Tire's unwavering commitment to technological advancement and their visionary approach to the future of mobility. Aerovelo ETA, the fastest human-powered vehicle on the planet, achieving a mind-blowing top speed of 144.17 kilometers per hour. This extraordinary accomplishment is made possible by its ultra-aerodynamic design, which drastically reduces drag and maximizes efficiency. Weighing just 25 kg and crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, the ETA harnesses the power of a single human to reach speeds comparable to highway cars. Its phenomenal efficiency translates to an equivalent fuel efficiency of 9,544 mpg, far surpassing even the best electric vehicles. The ETA is more than a record-breaking marvel. It embodies a bold vision for sustainable and efficient transportation, demonstrating the incredible potential of human-powered engineering. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge world of the Aerovelo ETA and its promise for the future of mobility. Cab, a groundbreaking urban transportation company based in Sweden and founded in 2017, which is revolutionizing city travel with its innovative, efficient, and sustainable transport solutions. Cab's vehicles are designed to be faster than conventional cars in city traffic, offering a competitive alternative for last-mile travel in densely populated urban areas. With lower operating costs due to reduced fuel and insurance expenses, Cab also prioritizes environmental sustainability with its zero-emission vehicles. Their slim design ensures easy maneuverability through congested city streets, while weather protection guarantees comfortable travel in all conditions. Low-resolution car by United Nude, a remarkable reinterpretation of the iconic Lamborghini Countach. This unique vehicle resembles a moving sculpture with its polygonal-shaped polycarbonate body, offering a driving experience like no other. The two-seater car features a body that opens entirely with electric lifts, eliminating the need for traditional doors. Powered by an electric motor, it reaches a top speed of 50 kilometers per hour, ensuring a safe yet thrilling ride. Sold for $111,111 in 2021, the low-resolution car is not just a mode of transportation, but a bold statement and a new way of life. EV Gyrocar C-1 by Lit Motors and the Motorrad Vision. Next 100 by BMW, two groundbreaking innovations set to transform personal transportation. The C-1 combines the efficiency of a motorcycle with the protection of a car, utilizing self-balancing technology that could potentially eliminate the need for helmets and protective pads. Meanwhile, BMW's Motorrad Vision Next 100 is a motorcycle of the future, so advanced it might render protective gear obsolete. With its self-balancing system, the bike remains upright both in motion and at rest, offering unparalleled stability and safety. These self-balancing motorcycles deliver a unique riding experience, merging the thrill of two-wheeled vehicles with the security typically associated with cars. Arcimoto Cybertrike, a revolutionary electric vehicle that seamlessly blends the features of an e-bike and a tricycle. This mid-level marvel from Arcimoto's Mean Lean Machine lineup boasts three-wheel drive powered by three independent motors, delivering exceptional stability and performance. Enhanced with improved suspension and sleek carbon fiber wheels, the Cybertrike utilizes a drive-by-wire system where the pedals activate a generator. With a range of over 200 miles and a launch planned for the end of the year, the Cybertrike promises a thrilling new way to travel. Garaventa 136 FUL, a remarkable funicular railway that defies the ordinary. Originally built by Garaventa, now part of Doppel, this model gained worldwide acclaim for its role in the Stoßbahn project in Switzerland, where it tackles the steepest inclines with a jaw-dropping 110% gradient. The secret to its success lies in its cylindrical cabins, which automatically tilt to keep the floor level, ensuring a smooth ride regardless of the extreme slope. These cabins are designed for universal accessibility and can even transport goods, showcasing the pinnacle of engineering ingenuity. Whether you're a transportation enthusiast or simply marvel at feats of engineering, the Garaventa 136 FUL and its role in the Stoßbahn project are a must-see. Doroni H1-x, the world's first consumer-friendly electric aircraft poised to revolutionize personal mobility. With a top speed of 120 miles per hour and a range of 60 miles, this innovative personal air vehicle can comfortably carry 2 passengers and a payload of 500 lbs. Its patented duct fan and wing fence technology ensure both safety and efficiency, complemented by 360-degree safety sensors and fail-safes for smooth flights in any conditions. With a quick charge time of just 25 minutes and a flight duration of 40 minutes, the H1-x is scheduled for rollout in 2025, with mass production slated for 2026. Estimated between $300,000 to $400,000, this game-changing aircraft promises to redefine air travel, offering an exhilarating experience in the skies like never before. City Coco 701 scooter, a powerhouse of performance and features designed to elevate your riding experience. Equipped with a robust 3,000-watt motor and a 60-volt 30Ah lithium battery, this scooter can reach speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour and cover distances of 60 to 80 kilometers on a single charge. It boasts a suspension front fork, rear hydraulic brake, and under-seat rear suspension, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. Safety is prioritized with an LCD display, headlight, brake light, and rear turning lights. With a removable battery and a convenient 6 to 8 hour charging time, the GS City Coco 701 is perfect for daily commuting or leisurely trips around town.